Okay, good afternoon. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to scan for vulnerabilities using Burpsuit, and I will show how to intercept requests, perform SQL injection, XSS attacks, and identify and secure object references. So kanina natapos na natin yung intercept request and also the perform SQL injection. So, ngayon, gagawin natin yung XSS attacks. So, first, we need to open the burp suite. So, let's wait. Dapat na pala ako. So, next, startup. Okay, so let's proceed to proxy. And we need this on, so let's on this and let's open the browser. So, let's wait again. So, let's go to Altaro website again. Again and again and again and again. Okay, so let's forward this. Okay, so it says in this, saan na yan? So dito. So find a search or input form. So gamitin natin to. Or input any input field. So inject XSS payload in Burpsuit, capture the first when you submit data. Saka natin i-modify. Okay. So let's try to search muna. And let's try to back this. Okay. So okay, so nandito siya. So let's try to comment this. Oh my god, hindi siya pwede. Ayun, copy. Okay. So ito yung script. Copy natin tong script. Okay. So let's try to search online. Let's try to search personal. Personal. Okay. Forward. Personal. Okay. So wala na pakitang personal. So let's try again the beauty. At ano na lang. Baguio City. Baguio City. Okay, so dito sa Baguio City, i-copy natin yung script kanina. And let's try to forward. Okay, SXS attack. So may nagpakitang XSS attack. So modify the data field, which is yung ginawa natin kanina. So forward the request in the browser. So meron siyang ganon, which is may Baguio City pa dito. So demonstrate, show the request interception and injection. Show the receipt interception and injection. Display the X alert. Explain how XSS can be used to steal session cookies or execute malicious script. So sabi ni ChatGPT kanina, So what is XSS cross-site scripting? So XSS is a web security vulnerability that allows attackers to inject malicious scripts, usually JavaScript, into web pages viewed by other users. So there are three main types of XSS. The first one is stored XSS. So this script is permanently stored on the target server, so in a database. So reflected XSS, the script is reflected off a web server URL or error messages. DOM-based XSS, the vulnerability exists in the client-side script JavaScript, modifying the DOM without sanitation. So how XSS can steal session cookies. So example scenario. Let's say a vulnerable website displays user comments without sanitizing input. So when attacker submit this comment, so when another user views that comment, their browser runs the script and it sends their session cookie to the attacker server. So why is this bad? So session cookies are used to keep users logged in. If an attacker gets your session cookie, they can impersonate you, access your account without knowing your password. So other malicious uses of XSS. Key logging logs everything a user types, redirecting to malicious sites, injecting fake login forms, phishing, defacing websites. How to prevent XSS? So this is important. So number one is escape output. So convert the special characters to HTML entities. So number two is use HTML sanitation. So strip or escape harmful tags. Number three is use frameworks that auto escape output. Avoid dangerous inline JavaScript. Set HTTP online cookies. So conclusion. XSS can be a powerful and dangerous tool in the hands of attackers. By injecting malicious scripts, they can steal session cookies, hijack user accounts, perform phishing attacks, damage the reputation of your site. So preventing XSS starts with proper input-output handling, using secure frameworks, and enabling modern browser protections. So recommendations to prevent XSS attacks. So number one is escape output properly. So always escape user data before rendering it to HTML, JavaScript, or URLs. Use built-in escaping functions from your framework. Sanitize user input. Remove or clean harmful HTML JavaScript tags before saving or displaying user input. So use sanitation like libraries like DOM-Profile, JavaScript, PHP. Use secure frameworks. So choose web frameworks that auto-escape output and protect against XSS by default. Set content security policy. Avoid dangerous methods. And set cookies to HTTP only and secure. So we also have regularly scan and test for XSS. So by following these recommendations, you can greatly reduce the risk of XSS attacks and protects your users' data and sessions. Okay, so that is the third part of my laboratory examination. So thank you so much for listening. Okay, meron pa akong dalawa.